Hey everyone, I'm Kevin, and today we're talking about the invisible tax on your hard work. You spend weeks or months building a course, a trading community, or a fitness program. You launch it, the sales start coming in, and then you wait. You wait 14 days for a payout. You lose a significant percentage to hidden processing fees. And then the dreaded chargeback hits 3 months later because a buyer decided they wanted their money back after consuming all your content. This is exactly why Summon Plus exists. It is a crypto-native marketplace where the middleman has been completely removed from the equation. We're talking about a platform built on the speed and efficiency of Solana and Base. No banks, no gatekeepers, and most importantly, no chargebacks. When you make a sale, those funds hit your wallet instantly in USDC or USDT. It's a total shift in how we monetize digital knowledge and products. So, who is actually using Summon Plus? Well, it's built for anyone monetizing digital access or expertise. We see crypto traders running private signal groups, on-chain research communities, and gated alpha chats. We see DeFi analysts hosting premium Discord servers with live breakdowns and portfolio updates. We see AI builders selling prompt libraries and automation tools. We even see fitness coaches running accountability groups, one-on-one coaching, and structured programs inside gated communities. We also see e-commerce operators sharing supplier lists and scaling playbooks, real estate investors running deal flow networks, and developers offering paid code repos, SaaS templates, and private dev circles. The marketplace spans everything from trading and investing communities to business masterminds, creator mentorship groups, and niche Discord ecosystems. On the buyer side, it's a discovery engine for people who want to use their on-chain capital to access high-value commodities and premium content without ever touching a traditional bank. The first thing you'll notice when you land on Summon Plus is how fast the onboarding is. You're not filling out endless forms. You can log in with X, Google, or simply your email. There's no friction, and most importantly, no initial crypto setup required. The moment you sign up, your wallet is automatically generated in the background. You don't need to understand seed phrases, extensions, or blockchain mechanics to start selling. For creators and community builders, it just works from day one. If you already use crypto, you can still connect your preferred wallet like Phantom or MetaMask, but you don't have to. Summon Plus is designed so sellers need zero crypto knowledge to launch products, subscriptions, or gated communities. Now let's look at the My Store dashboard. This is your control center. At a glance, you see your revenue overview, total orders, active subscriptions, and recent activity. Everything is structured so you instantly understand how your business is performing. Under the Products tab, you're in full control. You can launch one-time payments, sell digital downloads, gate Discord access, or set up recurring subscriptions in just minutes. Whether it's a $197 masterclass, a private trading group, or a members-only community, you decide the structure. The subscription model is flexible by design, allowing you to offer tiered access and reward long-term members with discounted plans, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And when it's time to get paid, there's no approval queue, no manual review, and no waiting weeks for payouts to clear. On Summon Plus, sellers hold their own funds. The platform does not custody your revenue and does not maintain constant access to your balances the way traditional marketplaces do. There's no centralized account where your earnings can be paused, delayed, or restricted. You simply click Withdraw. Funds can be sent to any wallet you own. If you prefer fiat, you can withdraw directly to platforms like Coinbase or Kraken, convert to your local currency, and have it in your bank within seconds. The entire flow is designed so even non-crypto native sellers can move from stablecoins to fiat in under a minute. Your revenue, your control, no gatekeepers. One of the biggest pain points for community leaders is role management. Usually you're manually checking DMs, verifying payments, and sending Discord invites. It's time consuming and easy to mess up. Summon Plus solves this with automated Discord role assignment. You connect your server in the integrations tab, map each product to a specific role, and you're done. Access becomes fully automated. The moment a buyer completes checkout, payment confirmation happens almost instantly on Solana. As soon as the transaction is confirmed, access is unlocked and the correct Discord role is automatically assigned. No manual approvals, no spreadsheets, and no chasing screenshots. But how do you get more eyes on your products? Well, Summon Plus has two powerful built-in growth engines. First, the affiliate system. You can enable affiliates on any product and set a commission that fits your margins. Each promoter receives a unique tracking link, and when a sale happens, commissions are automatically paid in USDC. Both sellers and affiliates get access to real-time dashboards that track clicks and conversions with full transparency. Second, the promote features. You can secure prime visibility across the marketplace by using USDC to feature your product in the homepage carousel, the category pages, or high-intent placements within search. Pair that with Sellers Live, where you can stream directly on the platform and interact with buyers in real time, and you have a full funnel marketing system built into a single ecosystem. Let's be honest, trust is the real currency of the internet. That's why the seller verification program matters. When you earn the gold badge, you're unlocking increased visibility, stronger positioning in the marketplace, and instant credibility. The gold badge signals that you're a vetted, serious creator. And while the platform is leading with crypto, it's constantly evolving. Coming soon, Summon Plus will support traditional payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay. But it does this without compromising the core model. Instead of introducing payout risk, the card flow is structured so buyers use their card to purchase USDC through the payment rails. For the seller, nothing changes. Earnings will arrive in stablecoins with no chargebacks, no surprise reversals, and no funds being held for weeks. Listen, whether you're selling a $10 ebook or a $5,000 elite mastermind, Summon Plus is infrastructure that keeps control where it belongs, with you, the creator. Head over to the marketplace, set up your store, and I'll see you on the platform.